guys to today's video, and I'm just gonna say I'm sorry I haven't posted so much. As you can hear my voice, I've been really sick, but hey, we need content for you guys, and we're soon reaching 500 subscribers, and that's only because of you. Enough talking. Today we actually got a studio RSR roll cage that we're actually gonna fit to the G, and as you can see, the G isn't in a good state right now. That's because of the wide body is full on. The car is jacked up. We're doing all sorts of things, but today over to installing the roll cage in the G37, and I hope it's gonna be an easy install. I heard a lot of good things from Studio RSR, so let's see if it fits and follow us into the car.
This is gonna suck, but I think I have to cut out this much to get the cage in, and that's only the backrest. This hurts, but okay, cut the back seat up, make the cage fit. Here we go.
So guys, as you actually saw, it was a hassle. Took the back seat in, out, in, out, in, out, to just cut as little as possible to make it easier for the upholstery guys. I didn't tell you before, I'm not gonna do a back seat delete. I love having a back seat. I know it's not functional, but the interior looks so much better if you still have an interior in the car. As you saw, we had a little bit of an issue to actually install the roll cage. It was a really tight fitment, but it's finally in, and it looks really good. And I really did a good measurement with the air tank for the air suspension. Everything's buttoned up, and we're actually going to the upholstery guys tomorrow. So you're actually going to join me for that. But now over to the result of the Studio RSR roll cage installed in the G37, and you need to be two to actually make this possible. But look at this. So what we actually did, I know it looks crazy now with the back seat, but we cut out a bunch in the mounting points and also in the back, as you can see here. We're gonna fix that with the upholstery guys to make it possible to actually install everything so it looks nice and clean. But as I said, the installation of the air tank is really close to the roll cage, but it fits really snug there also. We're gonna do some really cool hard lines from the tank up to the manifold. I really think this is gonna look so epic with the roll cage in, and you're gonna be really surprised what color I'm gonna choose to paint this roll cage in. So comment in the comment section below, and we're gonna go to the upholstery guys tomorrow. But now we're actually on the way to all the upholstery guys. So the car is in front of me. It's actually on the trailer, and we're gonna go up to the upholstery guys. It's gonna be like about an hour's trip, I guess. When we actually come up to the upholstery guys, we're gonna help them and actually take out every single component in the interior, because they're gonna do everything. I'm gonna try to take some rolling shots of the car on the trailer, and no questions about the wide body. It's not finished. It's not even close to be finished, but we had to bring the stuff up to the upholstery guys. They are also on a crunch time. They have to do the interior in about 2 months time, because in about 2 months it is actually Sport Performance and Custom Motor Show. I've told you before, but for the new viewers here, it's one of Europe's biggest car shows, and it brings like over 80,000 to 90,000 people gathering to see different cars, bikes and trucks. And that's the first official big car show, so we're gonna be there. So we're gonna build this car we have 2 months left, and yes, I know it looks terrible right now, but it's gonna look awesome. So see you up at the upholstery, guys. And yes, guys, I know that the car looks like shit right now because there's almost no parts on the car, but the other parts are back in the shop. We're gonna work on them whilst the car is actually by the upholstery guys. So the upholstery guys are not gonna have my car in 2 months. That's why we're gonna take everything out. But why we're actually driving up the car is because I want the roll cage to fit really, really snug to the interior. And that's why we're taking the car up, so they can actually do all the measurements. It's gonna be epic. So see you actually at Thors Bilsadelmakeri. They are gonna do the job, and I'm just gonna tell you, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when I'm doing stuff. These guys, or Mikael especially, he's like the wizard of upholstery. He's such a perfectionist. I never met a guy like that, so that's why I'm actually always taking my upholsteries to him and the team they have, because they do amazing work. I'm gonna put a link in the description below, of course, and hit them up if you want a perfect made interior. As you saw in the time lapse, we loaded off the car and we're actually here at Thors Bilsadelmakeri. It's in Throtl here in Sweden. And as I said before, this is the magician of all the upholstery here in Sweden. We took in the car and we began to actually disassemble the whole interior. Mainly it's for Michael, that he's gonna measure out the roll cage for the back seat, and that's what he's doing now. He's actually measuring out and making notes of where to actually cut the back seat and the lower seat. I'm gonna show you, but the car is almost emptied out. We just have the front head panel or front panel still left in the car, and the headliner. The headliner is gonna go out, of course, and I got some special treats for you there. We're gonna do something cool. And I can guess that some of you can guess what we're gonna do. But as you can see, the seats are out, everything's in the back is out, this panel is gonna go out, and all the stuff here is from the G37. And of course, Michael putting down some hard work. I know this was a short one today, but we have so much to do. But see you in the next one. And as I always say, have a good morning, good evening, or good night, wherever you are. Bye-bye.